Hey, kitchen lovers! If you love cooking but hate the hassle, you're in for a treat. Today, we're counting down the top 10 best kitchen gadgets that'll make your life easier, faster, and way more fun. From time-saving tools to mind-blowing innovations, these must-haves are a game changer. Ready to upgrade your kitchen? Let's dive in. The Innoviva slushy machine makes creating frozen drinks effortless, with no need for ice cubes. Just pour in your liquid, select a preset mode, and enjoy a smooth, refreshing slushy. Its rotating mixing blades ensure even freezing for perfect texture, whether you're making margaritas, smoothies, or milkshakes. Designed for convenience, it features a self-cleaning mode and easy-to-remove parts for hassle-free maintenance. The updated version offers improved temperature control for better results in less time. With a comfortable handle and a removable drip tray, this machine brings effortless frozen drink making to your home. The Innoviva countertop ice maker delivers soft, chewable nugget ice, perfect for keeping drinks cool without diluting flavor. With quick production, the first batch is ready in minutes, making it ideal for parties and daily use. Its efficient insulation helps maintain ice quality, while the one-touch self-cleaning function ensures hassle-free maintenance. Designed with smart features like sensor alerts and a spacious water tank, it offers convenience and reliability. Compact yet powerful, this sleek black stainless steel ice maker is a great addition to any kitchen or office space. The Hoshanho fillet knife combines precision and durability with its high-carbon Japanese stainless steel blade. Designed for effortless slicing, boning, and trimming, its slender, ultra-sharp edge ensures clean cuts with minimal waste. The ergonomic Pakawood handle offers a comfortable grip, reducing fatigue during use. Lightweight and flexible, this knife adapts to different cutting tasks, making it a versatile tool for fish, meat, and poultry. With its sleek design and exceptional performance, it's a must-have for any kitchen or a thoughtful gift for cooking enthusiasts. The Conchiot CB08 blender is a powerful and versatile kitchen essential, perfect for smoothies, frozen drinks, baby food, and more. Its high-speed motor and unique asymmetric stainless steel blades ensure smooth blending, even with tough ingredients. Designed for convenience, it features hands-free operation, safety micro-switches, and an easy self-cleaning function. With multiple portable cups and lids, it's ideal for on-the-go use. Built with thoughtful details like overheat protection and non-slip suction feet, this compact yet efficient blender is a great addition to any kitchen. The Toshiba rice cooker brings convenience and precision to your kitchen with its smart cooking technology. Designed with multiple cooking functions, it can handle different rice types, grains, soups, and steamed dishes effortlessly. Its fuzzy logic technology ensures perfectly cooked rice by adjusting temperature and cooking time automatically. The digital display and user-friendly controls make operations simple, while the Keep Warm function maintains freshness for hours. With a non-stick inner pot and removable steam vent, cleaning is quick and easy. A versatile and reliable choice for any home kitchen. The Redmond 2-slice toaster blends style and functionality with its retro design and stainless steel build. Its extra-wide slots accommodate various bread types, from bagels to Texas toast. With 3 key functions, defrost, bagel, and cancel, you get precise control over your toasting. 7 browning levels let you customize crispness to your liking. Compact yet efficient, it fits neatly on any countertop. Cleaning is simple with the removable crumb tray and easy-to-wipe surface. A stylish, user-friendly choice for any kitchen. The Lu Hoi multifunctional drain basket is an essential kitchen tool designed for efficiency and convenience. Made from premium, food-grade material, it's heat-resistant up to 150 degrees Celsius, ensuring safe and reliable use. The upgraded design features a stable, non-slip bottom and a reinforced filter plate to prevent wobbling during use. The unique drain hole design allows for quick and effective drainage without residual water, making it ideal for pasta, fruits, and vegetables. It also comes with hooks for easy storage, helping you save space and keep your kitchen organized. A durable, space-saving solution for every kitchen. The Nuave Pro Plus 2 Infrared Oven offers a healthier, faster way to cook with its advanced triple combo cooking technology. It reduces saturated fats by cooking food from both the inside and outside while draining away fat drippings. This oven is ideal for anyone looking to cut cholesterol and excess fat from their diet. The transparent power dome allows you to monitor cooking progress without opening the door, ensuring even cooking. With a 10-pound turkey capacity, it's perfect for family-sized meals and one-oven cooking, making it easy to prepare a variety of dishes simultaneously. The Solo Stove Mesa XL is a smokeless, portable fire pit designed for outdoor use. Made from durable 304 stainless steel, it offers a long-lasting, efficient burn without the hassle of smoke, keeping your fireside experience clean and enjoyable. This fire pit is dual fuel, allowing you to burn either wood or pellets with ease. Its compact design includes a stable stand for safe use on any surface and a nylon carry bag for easy portability. Perfect for camping, patio gatherings, or as a stylish outdoor fireplace, it provides warmth wherever you go. The Bonison 2-pack hot plate gripper clips are designed to safely and easily lift hot plates, bowls, pans, and other cookware from various appliances like air fryers, microwave ovens, and pressure cookers. Each gripper can lift up to 5 pounds with one hand, and they feature a sturdy stainless steel head and frame with an ABS anti-skid plastic handle. The silicone pads on the clips prevent slipping and provide a secure grip without damaging your cookware. Dishwasher-safe and BPA-free, these clips are a must-have kitchen tool for safely handling hot items.